Hey everybody, welcome back after I made a mess everywhere. Okay, it's done. I want to show you what I did as soon as I get this up. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, yesterday, well, for you it was yesterday, whatever. I did the presents. I glued them on. I took my these things on each side, put those there. I added one of these to each side right here. I added the garland here. I added the lights. I put the candy cane around here. I made the bow and had the ribbon hanging. And let me get this out of the way here. I put up, that's not going to stay in there. I made the sign. I think I want another pom-pom down here, probably a green one, maybe. I did not do that yet. Let's get a green one, a little one. Get a little green one. I did not add these yet, so we're still going to add these on, but we're going to glue this right here. And I'll bring this up close and show you all the way around it and everything, what I did and everything. Now, I can change this every year because the glue that I put on, like this would stay, but if I wanted to take and redo it, I could, because the glue's not, I only did little pieces. Now let me open this up. We don't need these are going to go to the reindeer thing. Put that down there so it's out of the way. Okay, this is what I sketched last night, as I wanted the ribbon kind of flow down, and I couldn't get it to go this way correctly, so I just made it so, and it's wired ribbon, so it can kind of move out of the way. There's the little thing right here. I thought I'd put something on there, but I don't know what. But I wanted to be able to see this. Okay, so here we go. Let me show you up close. So I put the presents on. I put a little sparkly one right here. And I put those vines, those pine vines, I put underneath to kind of lift this up. I put these, right, I just stuck the little battery right here. But you can see the lights. You see the lights? Probably just barely. There's the little sign. I Mod Podged because these are stickers, they would have came off. So I Mod Podged it so it would stay on. And I put the little candy cane wire all the way around, and I put some cute little pom-poms right there. I think I'm still going to paint this white. And so there's this side, there's this side, okay, and then I did the cute little ribbon, and you can see my gingerbread, so it kind of hangs down. Here's the presents. Let me grab this. In the back of it, I put this here to hold my gingerbread up. You're not going to see that where I'm going to put it because it'll be up against something. And if I didn't want it seen, I would make like a huge bow right there. But there's the back. You can see the lights kind of go up by the thing, by the little doohickey. It was a pain in the butt to get this on. Now this part, putting it together, took me all day. I started it this morning, and it is, what time is it now? 2 o'clock. So I started this like at 10:30, putting it together, and then I stopped for lunch, probably about an hour. So it's taken me a little bit to kind of get this done. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. You can see, and you can pause the video to take a peek, and I will turn it around. It's pretty easy to do. It just takes time. Like, I started this in July, and I knew this one was going to take a while, but it is gorgeous. I got the little thing, so this would go kind of like that. So we just got to put on these, and I thought maybe I could hot glue them together like this on here. What do you think? I think that would look cute. So maybe we'll hot glue these together. Hot glue them together. And then I don't think I want to take the little tassels off. I think it looks cute because they're ornaments. I think that looks cute. This has got to dry a little bit. This to dry. And then let these dry, and then we'll do the reindeer thing because that's not going to take very long at all. And then the last one is going to be the garland. I flocked it the other night. I had some snow spray, so I flocked it the other night. Now I just got to decorate it and get that hung. So then we'll be done for this year's Christmas craft things. That's all I've got. So that will be fun. Then we just get ready for next year, and hopefully I can work. I've got so many December dailies to get finished, but I haven't got my pictures back yet. I ordered them, but I haven't got them back yet. So and when I get my pictures, I can put those in there in the October one, and I can put that in the box, and I can start decorating it. Okay, that dried enough. So I thought that we could put that like right there. Isn't that cute? That looks cute. But I'm going to have to add, okay. So I have to have glue there and glue here. And you can get rid of all the little glue hairs after. So, there we go. Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness. Not quite how I had envisioned, but that's because I couldn't find all the stuff for it. You know, all the gingerbread people and the candy, and I really didn't want the candies. So, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this from December, or from July, and we'll have to see what we come up with for next year for little projects. I'm just using what I had on hand, and so I'll just have to keep looking at Pinterest and see what I can come up with for next year. But this will set up. I'm going to put it on my front table, and you guys will see it during my Christmas tour, house tour. And that's where we'll put it. Okay. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye now.